Hello once again, this is Mr. Regner, and this is Focus for Week 8, Day number 3, Question number 4. Now in question number 4, it's all about converting with the metric system, and this is where we want to use King Henry. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. It's a great way for us to remember KHDUDCM, because this is kind of like our answer key for number 4. So if you look at letters A and B today, it's millimeters and converting it to centimeters. So I'd start here at the M, millimeters, and then I'd move my, pen in this case, over here one space to the left to centimeters. Just like I've moved one space with my pen to the left, I need to make sure that I move my decimal point one space to the left. So this was 40 millimeters. How's it going? 40 millimeters, I move my decimal place one place to the left, and that becomes 4 centimeters. And if we look at letter A, that's not the case at all. If I look at letter B, it's 4 millimeters. You have a quick question? And I'm going to move that one space over to the left. That becomes 4/10 centimeters, and that's actually what letter B says. So letter B is correct. So there's our answers for letters A and B. It's just B. And then we look at letters C and D, and it's centimeters. So if I'm here at centimeters, I'm going to be moving it over to meters. That means I'm moving to the left 2 spaces. So I'm going to take my numbers as I see in the problem, and I have 4 centimeters. If I move the decimal place to the left 2 times, that's going to equal 4/100ths of a meter. And if you look at letter C, that's what it says. 4/100ths of a meter, so letter C is correct. On letter D, it's 400 centimeters. If I convert that to meters, I'm moving my decimal point 2 spaces to the left. That would equal 4 meters. Now this is where it gets a little tricky, because on number 4, or on letter D, it says 4.0 meters. That's like saying 4 and 0/10. It's the same as 4 meters. So we should pick letter D. And finally, we have 400 meters in letter E. So 400 meters, we're converting that to kilometers. So here's my meters, the U, units. I'd move to the left 1, 2, 3 spaces to get to kilometers. So I would take my decimal point here and move to the left 1, 2, 3 times. So I should get 4/10 of a kilometer. And if we look at our answer choice letter E, there it is. It says E equals 400 meters is equal to 4/10 of a kilometer. So E would also be our answer. So kind of a longer explanation on number 4. But again, if we understand how King Henry works and understand that, number 4 becomes a much easier question for us to answer. So there you have it.